Hello and welcome to Food Techies. Today in this video we are going to see about cocoa processing and little about chocolates. First let us see about cocoa processing. Basically the cocoa beans are taken from cocoa pods. The pod is nothing but which will be in the form of capsule. The capsule containing cocoa beans are known as cocoa pods. One single pod contains up to 50 cocoa beans. These cocoa beans are not brown at all. They look white in color as you can see in this image. They also do not taste sweet like chocolate. This taste will be produced eventually. After harvesting, the cocoa beans are fermented. This fermentation process is done by placing the beans in large trays or covered with banana leaves. The workers will periodically stir the beans for equalizing the fermentation. This process is done for 5 to 8 days. The fermentation process provides the beans with their distinct flavor and gives them a darker brown color. After beans are fermented, they are dried for several days. Drying is done by spreading the fermented beans in a single layer and drying them in sun. They may be also dried with special indoor process too. After drying, these beans are stored for processing. Then they will be inspected and cleaned for any excess material, remaining pulp, debris, dust, brokens, etc. Then they will be sorted according to their type, place of origin. Then the beans are roasted for various length of time depending upon their type, size and moisture content. This process is the key to bring out the distinctive chocolate flavor, aroma and color. These are roasted at 130 to 150 degrees Celsius. After roasting, winnowing is done. This is nothing but cracking the lighter shells and blows them away with a fan, leaving the piece of inner beans. Then the nibs are milled, that is, it is crushed and ground into a thick, rich paste. This paste is known as chocolate liquor. This is also an ingredient used in chocolate manufacturing. When this liquor is pressed, cocoa butter can be extracted and a press cake remains. This press cake is dried and grinded, which results in cocoa powder. So now we got the products like cocoa butter, chocolate liquor and cocoa powder. Next let us switch on to the chocolates. There are more types of chocolates like unsweetened chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, milk chocolate, sweet baking chocolates. To get these chocolates, the liquor, butter, milk solids should undergo some process like blending and conching. Blending is the process of sending the raw materials into refining rollers, which will smoothen the texture of chocolate. Next, conching is done. Actually, it is the flavor development process where the chocolate is put under constant agitation. This process is done at 60 degrees Celsius for 96 to 120 hours at traditional conches, but various conches has been evolved, so the timing has been reduced. This conching reduces the moisture, remove if there is any acidic flavor is present in the chocolate. Then molding and packing is done. Now let us see the percentage of cocoa solids used in different types of chocolates. The dark chocolates has greater than 35% of cocoa solids. The milk chocolates has 20 to 30% of cocoa solids, whereas the white chocolate has no cocoa solids added to it. I hope that you all got an idea about cocoa processing. And also I hope the video was useful to you. Thank you.